Okay, out of the bolt, I stretched the wool out. It's doubled. It's double layered. I folded it over and I matched the ends. At the very beginning, I cut it off so it was square. And I'll go along the seam and match the seams up, shake it a little bit so it all falls into place, and put it on the cutting board. The cutting board has lines on it to line up the wool and try to make it square on the lines. It will be easier to, end product will be square that way. Put these 5-pound weights on there to hold it in place as I make the final adjustments. Then this guide I put on there, and they're 2 inches, so go from 1 to 3. Put the cutting guide on there, and there's a 3 on both sides of the cutting board. 1 here and 1 over here. Doesn't have to be exact, but close. I put the weights on there to keep everything in place, and the sandpaper type stick-on helps keep everything from moving. Applying pressure to the cutting board and a good amount of pressure on the cutting wheel. Just use that as a guide. Cut it on down. You take however distance you want. Take it off and put on the stack. Alright, then I move the weights down, keep the wool so it doesn't move, and move this down to number, was on 3, so I got on to 5, so they're 2 inches. Do the same thing again, put the weights on there to keep everything in place. Take the cutting wheel and cut along the guide. Take that off, put on the stack.